Number 1. Where should you install your saddlebag or box? Letter A. Not more than 10 cm higher than the rider seats. Letter B. Higher than the rider seats. Letter C. Not higher than the rider seats. The correct answer is letter C. Not higher than the rider seat. Number 2. The choices of speed may depend on the letter A. Roadworthiness of the motor vehicle being driven. Letter B. Skills of the driver. Letter C. All of the above. The correct answer is letter C. All of the above. Number 3. After turning right from the intersection into a one-way street, which lane should you choose? Letter A. Stay on the rightmost lane. Letter B. Stay on the innermost lane. Letter C. Stay on the center of the road. The correct answer is letter A. Stay on the rightmost lane. Number 4. A driver must not park or stop at the side of the road of a stop sign when it is within letter A. 3 meters. Letter B. 5 meters. Letter C. 6 meters. The correct answer is letter C. 6 meters. Number 5. What is the meaning of this traffic sign? Letter A. Go ahead. Letter B. Wait for the red signal. Letter C. Go if there is no obstruction on the other side. The correct answer is A. Go ahead. Number 6. Changing lanes at an intersection is letter A. Very safe. Letter B. Safe. Letter C. Unsafe. The correct answer is letter C. Unsafe. Number 7. What is the meaning of the traffic sign? Letter A. Local speed limit applies. Letter B. No waiting. Letter C. Stop. The correct answer is letter A. Local speed limit applies. Number 8. You may drive over a pathway. Letter A. If no pedestrian are near. Letter B. To get into a property. Letter C. To overtake slowing moving traffic. The correct answer is letter B. To get into a property. Number 9. You can overtake in a highway if it has 2 lanes with letter A. Broken white line. Letter B. Continuous white line. Letter C. Continuous yellow line. The correct answer is letter A. Broken white line. Number 10. What is the meaning of the traffic sign? Letter A. Stiff left curve. Letter B. No left turn. Letter C. Dangerous right. The correct answer is letter A. Stiff left curve. Number 11. What is the maximum penalty for a habitual violator of RA 1066, also known as Children's Safety on Motorcycle Act? Letter A. Imprisonment of 6 years. Letter B. Fine of 50,000. Letter C. Revocation of driver's license. The correct answer is letter C. Revocation of driver's license. Number 12. A person with disability can possess a driver's license if letter A. The driving conditions are indicated on the driver's license. Letter B. It is expressly written on the student permit. Letter C. She is accompanied by a qualified instructor. The correct answer is letter A. The driving conditions are indicated on the driver's license. Number 13. What does this traffic sign means? Letter A. Slippery road. Letter B. Winding road. Letter C. Curve road. The correct answer is A. Slippery road. Number 14. What does this traffic sign means? Letter E. No entry. Letter B. No parking. Letter C. No road. The correct answer is letter E. No entry. Number 15. What should you do when the brake light of the vehicle in front of you activates? Letter A. Prepare to brake. Letter B. Press the horn. Letter C. Turn right or left. The correct answer is letter A. Prepare to brake. Number 16. Single white broken line on a two-way lane road means? Letter A. Passing on overtaking can be made anytime. Letter B. Absolutely no overtaking. Letter C. It separates traffic moving opposite directions. The correct answer is letter C. It separates traffic moving opposite direction. Number 17. When being overtaken by a car, what should you do? Letter A. Increase speed to avoid being overtaken. B. Stay with the current speed. C. Press on the brake and allow the overtaking vehicles to pass. The correct answer is letter B. Stay with the current speed. Number 18. Someone is waiting to cross at a pedestrian crossing. They are standing on the pavement. You should normally, letter A, go on quickly before they step into the crossing. Letter B, stop, let them cross, wait patiently. Letter C, ignore them as they are still on the pavements. The correct answer is B. Stop, let them cross, wait patiently. Number 19. What does this traffic sign means? Letter A. Downhill course. Letter B. Uphill course. Letter C. Humps ahead. The correct answer is letter B. Uphill course. Number 20. What does this traffic sign means? Letter A. Dangerous right double bend. Letter B. Dangerous left double bend. Letter C. Dangerous curve. The correct answer is letter B. Dangerous left double bend. Number 21. Parking is allowed if the vehicle is? Letter A. Beyond 4 meters of a fire hydrant. Letter B. Within 3 meters of the intersection of a curved line. Letter C. Within the intersection. The correct answer is letter A. Beyond 4 meters of a fire hydrant. Number 22. What should be done first before changing lanes? Letter A. Make a quick change of lane. Letter B. Check the traffic ahead and make a signal. Letter C. Cannot stop unless directed by a traffic enforcer. The correct answer is letter B. Check the traffic ahead and make a signal. Number 23. What is the meaning of the traffic sign? Letter A. Roadworks. Letter B. Slippery road. Letter C. Uneven light signal ahead. The correct answer is letter A. Roadworks. Number 24. What is the meaning of this traffic sign? Letter A. Speed limit on those area must not be less than 60 km per hour. Letter B. Speed limit in this area is 60 km per hour. Letter C. The zone is 60 km long. The correct answer is letter B. Speed limit on this area is 60 km per hour. Number 25. Road rage is a violent anger caused by the stress and frustration involved in driving a motor vehicle in difficult conditions, especially when the driver is experiencing letter A. Heavy traffic causing gridlock. Letter B. Happiness and wellness. Letter C. Light traffic along a busy road. The correct answer is A. Heavy traffic causing gridlock. Number 26. What is the meaning of this traffic sign? Letter A. You can park on the days shown. Letter B. No parking anytime. Letter C. No parking at all from Monday to Friday. The correct answer is letter C. No parking at all from Monday to Friday. Number 27. What is primary purpose of using the vehicle's horn? Letter A. To make beautiful sound for all motorists to hear. Letter B. To create noise and avoid distraction. Letter C. To give warning to avoid road crash. The correct answer is letter C. To give warning to avoid road crash. Number 28. The mandated of L2 is to register roadworthy and emission compliant on motorcycle vehicles, put order on the roads, and 2. Letter A. Observe cleanliness on the road. Letter B. License quality drivers. Letter C. Formulate franchising guidelines of PUVs. The correct answer is letter B. License quality drivers. Number 29. The proper hand signal for a left turn is letter A. Left arm straight in horizontal. Letter B. Left arm and elbow hand pointing up. Letter C. Left hand down and hand pointing to the ground. The correct answer is letter A. Left arm straight in horizontal. 30. Double broken white lines on the road means letter A. It is prohibited to overtake on the left side. Letter B. It is prohibited to overtake on the right side. Letter C. You are allowed to overtake on the left or right if there is no danger. The correct answer is letter C. You are allowed to overtake on the left or right if there is no danger. 31. What does this traffic sign means? Letter A. Dangerous right double bend. Letter B. Dangerous left double bend. Letter C. Dangerous curve. The correct answer is letter A. Dangerous right double bend. Number 32. Who is responsible for not overloading the vehicle? Letter A. The driver or rider of the vehicle. Letter B. The person who loaded the vehicle. Letter C. The owner of the vehicle. The correct answer is letter A. The driver or rider of the vehicle. Number 33. This traffic sign means yield the right of way. Letter A. Inverted triangle. Letter B. Vertical triangle. Letter C. Horizontal triangle. The correct answer is letter A. Inverted triangle. 34. You must not blow the horn of your vehicle unless letter A. A moving vehicle may cause you danger. Letter B. You want to call the attention of a traffic enforcer. Letter C. You want to signal your arrival. The correct answer is letter A. A moving vehicles may cause you danger. Number 35. To drive on the road, you must have this document ready. Letter A. Driver's license and registration and insurance policy. B. CPC and fare matrix. Letter C. Valid driver's license and updated registration and insurance policy. The correct answer is letter C. Valid driver's license and updated registration and insurance policy. Number 36. You were invited to a dinner party. You know that you will have to drive afterwards. What is your best course of action? Letter A. Eat a hot meal with your alcohol drink. Letter B. Avoid mixing your alcohol drinks. Letter C. Not drink any alcohol at all. The correct answer is letter C. Not drink any alcohol at all. Number 37. While driving on a one-way direction, you intend to turn left into a minor road. On approach, you should: letter A. Keep in the middle of the road. Letter B. Swing out wide just before turning. Letter C. Keep well to the left of the road. The correct answer is letter C. Keep well to the left of the road. Number 38. What does this traffic sign means? Letter A. Approach to intersection. Letter B. Highway ahead. Letter C. Merging traffic ahead. The correct answer is letter A. Approach to intersection. Number 39. The vehicle is parked if: letter A. It is not moving while loading passenger. Letter B. It is moving while unloading passenger. Letter C. It is at stand and the engine is turned off. The correct answer is letter C. It is at stand and the engine is turned off. Number 40. What does this traffic sign means? Letter A. Stop before stop line. Letter B. Continue driving if there is no obstruction. Letter C. Stop as directed by the traffic enforcer. The correct answer is letter A. Stop before the stop line. Number 41. What does this traffic sign means? Letter A. One way ahead. Letter B. Road wide ahead. Letter C. Narrow bridge ahead. The correct answer is letter A. One way ahead. Number 42. What do you mean by double white line? Letter A. To pass a vehicle that is towing a trailer. Letter B. To pass traffic is queuing back at junction. Letter C. Separating lanes of traffic moving from opposite direction. The correct answer is letter C. Separating lanes of traffic moving from opposite direction. Number 43. What must you do at a flashing yellow traffic signal? Letter A. Stop, yield, and proceed when safe. Letter B. Drive with caution, consider it as a giveaway sign. Letter C. This signal tells you that you cannot turn at this intersection, so continue on straight. The correct answer is letter B. Drive with caution, consider it as a giveaway sign. Number 44. The temporary operator's permit authorizes the apprehended driver to operate motor vehicle for a period not exceeding: letter A. 72 hours. Letter B. 1 week. Letter C. 15 days. The correct answer is letter A. 72 hours. 45. Where should you position your vehicle when you are planning to turn left into a minor road? Letter A, in the middle of the road. Letter B, on the rightmost part of the road. Letter C, on the leftmost part of the road. The correct answer is letter C, on the leftmost part of the road. Number 46. A traffic light change from green to yellow as you approach an intersection. What should you do? Letter A, keep going at your current speed. Letter B, stop even in the intersection. C, stop before the intersection or stop line. The correct answer is C, stop before the intersection or stop line. Number 47. Under which of these circumstances it is permissible to use a mobile phone while driving a motor vehicle? Letter A, if it is an important call. Letter B, if the traffic is light. Letter C, none of the above. The correct answer is C, none of the above. Number 48. What does the law require you to do upon approaching an intersection with a stop sign? Letter A, yield right of way if necessary to vehicles approaching from left to right. Letter B, stop and proceed when it's safe to do so. Letter C, slow down and proceed when it's safe to do so. The correct answer is letter B, stop and proceed when it's safe to do so. Number 41. It is more dangerous to turn left than to turn right because letter A, the road has lanes. Letter B, vehicles coming from opposite direction are faster. Letter C, there are more vendors on the right side of the road. Correct answer is vehicles coming from opposite direction are faster, which is letter B. Number 50. No stopping signs means you, letter A, can stop quickly if you are loading or unloading a passenger. Letter B, cannot stop unless receiving a call. Letter C, cannot stop unless directed by a traffic enforcer. The correct answer is letter C, cannot stop unless directed by the traffic enforcer.